do it myself.
It's going to be a great one.
Yep.
It's going to be a great one. Make sure you tune in. And if you can't catch it, we always have it on our website. But we do have, what else we have this morning for you? Carson Meredith.
We do indeed.
Tell us our forecast.
About cold weather coming, which I think is a good thing this time of year. And also, what's the latest on this fog? Because that's affecting a lot of folks this morning.
Yeah, there really just hasn't been much change all morning long, guys. This is one of the more widespread dense fog events that we've had in quite some time. Every single square inch of North Alabama has had that dense fog, and it just hasn't lifted yet. Another view of the Way 31 Skycam network. See that blanket of fog right over the city of Huntsville this morning. Same story goes for Muscle Shoals. We can't see a thing out at Lake Guntersville State Park this morning. Decatur downtown itself is looking okay, but you go just outside the city of Decatur and that fog is still very, very dense. These visibility numbers just have not improved much at all. Less than a half mile still east of I-65, a half mile on the dot in Muscle Shoals, and that dense fog will last for about another hour or two. That dense fog advisory continues until 8 o'clock this morning. So again, give yourself an extra 10 minutes on your morning routine. Take it slow on the roads and give yourself plenty of space, of course, between you and the other cars around you. The good news is, though, no rain. It's out of here. Quiet picture on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. Through the day today, that fog will dissipate later on this morning, and we'll have lots of sunshine all day long. Forecast highs in the mid-60s. That's exactly where we should be on this 12th day of November, and we're dropping into the low to mid-50s by 7 o'clock tonight, just in time for high school football. The second round of the playoffs tonight. Kickoff temperatures in the lower 50s, down to the upper 40s by the fourth quarter. We will have more clouds filtering in this evening, and that's ahead of our next cold front that arrives later on tonight. Our big game, Friday night game of the week, by the way, here on Way 31. It's a good one out in Madison. Priceville and Madison Academy later on tonight. Here we go with future radar by lunchtime, 12 o'clock this afternoon. Should be just fine. Lots and lots of sunshine. Here comes that cold front. Now, one thing you'll notice, there's not much moisture with this cold front, but this is still a very strong cold front as far as how cold it gets once the front moves through. So a few of those clouds as that front passes later on this evening. It's not impossible to have a stray sprinkle along that front, but like I mentioned, there's virtually no moisture with it. So I think a lot of us will stay dry. Plenty of sunshine once that front finally gets out of here Saturday, and that sunshine will stick around all weekend long. But just because it's sunny doesn't mean it's going to be warm. We're going to be going the wrong direction, actually. 51, that is it for your forecast high tomorrow, and that might actually be a little too warm. I think if you're in northeast Alabama, the higher elevations, you might only be in the 40s tomorrow. We'll be back into the mid to upper 50s by Sunday, but look at those overnight lows. Might have a light frost later on tonight and early Saturday morning, and it's looking more and more likely that we will have a freeze, for some of us a hard freeze that could end the growing season as we get towards Saturday night and Sunday morning. We do have a freeze watch that has been issued for North Alabama for Saturday night. That'll likely be upgraded to a freeze warning in the next couple of days. Those overnight lows do warm up just a little bit as we get towards the early part of next week, but it's still going to be chilly as we head into next week too. 7-day forecast looks like this. All in all, pretty quiet, down to the low 50s Saturday, and then we'll have a slow, gradual warm up back into the 60s by next week. Our next widespread rain chance, that comes with yet another cold front later next week, mainly on